Okay then people, here we go, into qualifying. Round Snetterton. I wasn't expecting to get queued up here if I'm honest. Trucks have just been on, so we're on the truck calendar for Snet. So trucks have just been out, so it's a bit of a strange one because you're not allowed to be in and around this area when the trucks are on track for safety reasons or something. So we've had to wait until the trucks are off track before we can drive this bit, but I was expecting to just go straight through here on the track anyway. I'm probably waffling on, don't really need to hear that anyway. So Harry was testing yesterday, and we think we've found a bit of balance in the car. Hopefully it translates to my car as well, and yeah, I think the plan is use him to get me up to speed a little bit. Obviously it didn't test, so hopefully 3 or 4 laps later and we should be there or thereabouts, hopefully. And then Mark's behind, and Mark's gonna try and keep up me on the out lap to get him up to speed quicker. So that is the scenario. Snetterton, it's an alright track for us. I quite enjoy it. I don't know how fast I'm gonna be, but I guess everyone says that, don't they, really? We'll wait and see. Let's just enjoy it is the main thing. If you're watching this, I always forget to say this in the videos as well. If you are watching this, because I have noticed on my what's it called when you look at YouTube and you see how things are doing, the majority of people watching this aren't subscribed. So do us a favour. If you're watching this and you actually think it's okay, not just me talking waffle and, you know, annoying, then just click the subscribe thingy, and yeah, hopefully we can get to 500 subscribers. Would be quite nice. It's a bit of a milestone, I think. Yeah, I explained to a few people, you might notice the videos are a little bit sporadic. Is that the right word? Or spread out? Reason for that being is just obviously there's only so many set races a year, so it gets to the point where, you know, I had 2 videos to spread across 4 weeks, so I had to put a gap in somewhere to help, you know, spread out so there wasn't just a gap of a 4 week block. So that's a little bit why it's a little bit inconsistent regarding the uploads. I do try and upload every Thursday, but obviously there's not enough videos for it. So yeah, other than that, I think we're about covered. Anything else to report? I've got some fresh boots. Not these ones. I've got some new tyres for this weekend. Which should be useful, but I haven't put them on for qualifying. Now, I know it sounds a little bit counterproductive, but my thing of being is there's a chance it could rain on Sunday, which a chance it could rain tomorrow for tomorrow's race. Now, I don't have enough good tyres. I don't really have any good tyres, if I'm honest. That if it does rain, it'll clear water and it'll get grip. So if I use them good tyres today and use them in qualifying and race 1, there's a chance the tyre won't be that great for race 2. So also it's going to take me 4 laps realistically to get up to speed, and normally the best, or when the tyre's at its optimum, is in them first 4 laps. So I'm not really putting to use the actual brand new tyre, if that makes sense. So we'll see where we are, probably for race 2 tomorrow. If we're near the front, we might chuck them on, or we might carry them forward to Brands, which is in the start of November, because there's probably a good chance it's going to rain. Putting 2 and 2 together, good chance it might rain in November. So that's where we're at anyway. That's where we're at. go. Let's get used to Snetterton. Car feels pretty good. Alright, let's see. We can go for a pretty good lap straight off the block. Oh no, it's not ideal. Just take it back, the diff's gone.
The diff's gone?
Diff's gone. So, just take it back to assembly, I take it. Yeah. Oh well, there you go. That's the drama of what happens. Where am I going? Well, that's the end of that video. Oh well, in a bit, people.